So, we're in the 2011 Subaru. This is our last car bought. We all know the story. Shouldn't have bought it. Bought it. Took a gamble. Ended up having to put an insane amount of work into the car. Blah, 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 blah. We end up here. And it turns out, after all of that, it's going to be our first car sold, potentially. So we're going to show it right now to somebody who has, through videos and talking online, shown great interest. They're looking for a car right away. So let's go. We're on our way there now. Let's show it to them. It's a girl. She's very interested. Usually, men will come and check the car, or cars in general, in my experience. And even if they're not really interested, or if they have multiple options, whatever the case may be, or they're trying to lowball you, there's a million options. But mostly men they're not coming to buy. They're usually tire kickers. They're usually coming to see, look, potentially buy. Women usually find a car they like, that they really want. Then they'll communicate with the person online, ask all the questions online. And in my experience, as long as they get there and exactly what was described is what's being offered, they're usually already on board. They'll negotiate, but they're usually already on board because they know what they want. I want a white Subaru, whatever that it is. I want an Impreza, or I want all-wheel drive car. There's a million options of why somebody would be interested, or why a woman would be interested in a specific item. But usually they know what they want, done their research, and then they're gonna go pull the trigger on it. Basically, as long as it's what was advertised. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. It does help us. It helps us so much. This car is exactly as advertised. It's fully maintained. It's beautiful. It's ready to go. So let's just see. Go show it to her now.
A few moments later.
All right. So she saw the car. She drove the car. She loves the car. We negotiated a price, and she bought the car. So the Subaru sold. So she's inside right now, registering it. And that's it, guys. There goes the Subaru. That's a happy ending for once. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.